Director's appointment and resignation.
How have you been? We want to change the director of our company. What should I do?
First, make sure the new director is 18 years old or above.
Oh yes, of course he is. But he doesn't have a Hong Kong ID.
That's okay. Persons of any nationality can be a director in Hong Kong.
Is that it? Can I just appoint him at the next board meeting then?
That depends on your company's articles of association. Each company is different. But if you use the model articles of association from the company's registry, then yes, both members and directors have the power to appoint new directors to the board.
Okay, I'll verify that. What else do I need to do?
You'll have to notify the company's registry of the new director.
Do I need to notify them about removing the current director as well?
Yes, you do. Even though the current director can notify the company's registry of the resignation directly, you should play it safe and notify the CR.
What if I don't?
The requirement is for you to notify any changes in directors within 15 days. Failure to comply may lead to a level 4 fine.
Oh gosh. I didn't know that.
So you should definitely update any changes with the CR. This includes changes in director's information too, by the way. So if the director changes passport or moves to a new residential address, the company's registry must be notified too.
All right, I think I fully understand now. Thanks.
Change in directors? Ask us. info@getstarted.hk